Hey, Mr. K, I hope you're feeling better. I got your letter and your new address, but I'll stay here, get ready for the winter. Those sunny beaches ain't for all of us. It's funny, love, they say it is the answer. Sometimes I wonder what the question is. As autumn leaves are floating down these rivers, and summer's slowly fading from those cheeks. May your days be merry, may the sun fill up your heart. I'm sitting on this ferry, learning my new part, the good old art of getting on